Sharon Mackless at IDG, here with episode 36 of Do More with R, Data.Table in 5 minutes. Data table is a package known for speed and power for data wrangling and analysis. Fans say its syntax is both concise and consistent. That syntax is also a bit different than either base R or the tidyverse. So let's dive in and see how it works. A data table object is a type of data frame, but with special features. There are a couple of ways to create one. Here I'll first load the package and then import a CSV file with about 645,000 rows and 20 plus columns. I'm using data table's fread function. You can see fread is super fast. Looking at the object class, you can see MyDT is both a data frame and a data table. You can also turn an existing data frame into a data table with the asDataTable function. I'll create a data frame with base R's read.csv, which you'll notice is a wee bit slower than fread, and then once it loads, I'll convert it. Should be ready soon, and there it is. You can see that's a regular data frame, and now I'm going to create a data table from that. You can see that's a data table. All right, let me remove the copies of the data, and then let's take a look at the structure of MyDT. We've got one row per flight with info like flight date, origin info, destination info, and some time and delay info. What if I want to look at flight delays only from Boston to San Francisco by airline? So here's the basic syntax for a lot of things you want to do with data and data table. MyDT, open bracket, I, J, and by, close bracket, which means start with MyDT, subset or reorder using I, calculate using J, and order by. So, if I want to subset this data for the origin being Logan Airport in Boston, which is BOS, all I have to do is put origin equals BOS in that I section. What if I want to look at flights from Boston and to San Francisco? I just add a second condition, and you can see origin and destination, both in the by section. Let me run that code in R and save it to a new variable, myResult. To calculate the average or mean delay in minutes, I put the calculation in the J part. What I want is the mean of the arrival delay new column, which gives delay in minute. So there I've got the mean of the arrival delay new column, removing all the not availables, which I need so that the mean will calculate. So let me run that in R. You can see now I have a single average for all the delays. Next, I want the average delay by airline. For that, I use the by part. And you see in that by part, I say I would like to aggregate by the op unique carrier column. And let me run that code. And there's what I have, my carrier and my mean delay. Those airline carrier names aren't very intuitive. I don't have much time to go into joining tables, but quickly so you can see how easy it is. I've got a separate lookup table with airline codes and names, which I'll import with fread. Here's one way to do the join. I'll first set joining and indexing keys for each table, op unique carrier for the original data and code for the lookup table. Then it's just my lookup table with my original data table in brackets. Airline code, bracket, my result. And now I've got the name of the airline here as well. There are other ways to join data, which I'll explore in a future video since I'm out of time for this episode. Thanks for watching. For more R tips, head to the Do More with R page at go.infoworld.com/morewithR, all lowercase except for the R. You can also find the Do More With R playlist on the YouTube IDG Tech Talk channel, where you can subscribe so you never miss an episode. Hope to see you next time.